Generally, to create your quiz, you'll be applying single question templates to individual pages, and then applying your results template to a separate page. If you want to have a basic linear quiz and show all the questions, you'll want to use the linear question results template and put that at the end after your questions. Here's the structure that you would use. So here is the regular lesson content, and here is the quiz content. After page 3, you would see question 1, question 2, question 3, and so on until you encountered the results page. After that, you would continue to the next page in the lesson. Here it's called End. For advanced applications, such as randomizing questions or question pooling, where you have 10 questions but want to randomly select 5, you'll want to select the Randomized Quiz Controller template and structure your lesson like this. Here is the regular lesson content, and here is the quiz content. Here, the quiz controller comes before the questions and controls how many questions are shown, as well as which question to show next, and also ends up displaying your results. When you are done with the results, the lesson will progress outside of the subflow to the next page. Note that you can switch between the two without too much trouble. So if you just want a linear quiz for now, but may change your mind later, that's fine. Just start with a linear quiz. This particular video deals with a linear type of quiz. Please see the other video for how to use the randomized quiz. So here I am in my lesson. I'm ready to start adding questions, which I will do by using templates. So first, I'll create a new page. And then I will go up to Template, Apply Template. And here I'll go to Questions and choose a multiple choice type question and apply that to my page. Then I will paste in my text and fill in my answer choices. So here is my question, and I'll rename this page Question 1. I've gone ahead and added 4 more questions to my lesson for a total of 5 questions. So now I'm ready for my results. So I'll go to the end of my quiz, add a new page, which I will call Results. And then I'll go up to Template, Apply Template, and go to my Quizzing category. Here, I'll choose the Linear Quiz Results template. And I can change some of these properties. So in this case, I'll change my passing threshold to 80. And I'm not going to show my passing threshold on the results screen, so I'm going to change this from true to false. The default pass and fail messages are fine. And from here, I can also turn off the SCORM reporting. For example, perhaps this is just a knowledge check, and I don't want this score reported to the LMS, nor to mark the whole lesson as complete if they pass just this one little quiz. In this case, I'll leave them all checked. They won't do anything unless I export this as a SCORM package and upload it to an LMS. So I'll click OK. And the template was applied. So now I'm ready to preview. So I'll go back to question 1, and we'll preview from here. I'll get some of these right. And I'll get some incorrect. and then I can see my results. We provide a retake button that shows up when the quiz is failed. If you choose to use it, you'll need to create an action to jump to the page where your quiz starts. If you choose not to use it, simply drag it off the screen. Let's try this again. And here we can see the passing results. The Continue button will move to the next page in the lesson. Note that each question defaulted to record the results in Quiz 1. Similarly, the linear results template defaults to show the results for Quiz 1. If I have multiple quizzes in the same lesson that I want to track separately, then I would choose Quiz 2 or Quiz 3 for each particular question, and then the corresponding quiz here on the results template. If I want to have questions that do not factor into any score, perhaps knowledge check questions sprinkled through the lesson, but then a final quiz later, then I would go to a particular question and choose to record the results in None. These questions will be ignored by any result pages.